you can create a Google Chrome profile so you can use your account if you have siblings or your parents use the same computer without all of your accounts being mixed up. It's preferable that you do this step before you even activate your account so your account always remains linked only to your own Chrome profile and not to someone else's. However, if you already created it or if you haven't, the process is the same. You click on the icon over here that identifies whose account it is, and then you're going to select Add. There, you will be able to choose an icon to identify that account and add a name. It can be the student's name and what the account is for, which is school or MASIS. There, you will get a new window and you're going to sign into the account using the email address provided and the password we provided or the password you already chose when you activated your account. What this means is that, for example, when I'm using my computer for work, I can press new window, or I can simply go directly here and press my son's account, and it'll launch a window that has his account logged in, which means that if we go to meet.google.com, my own meetings will not interfere because his account will be the one automatically logged in. The same goes for when you access Google Drive, Gmail, and other Google apps.